Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cool Vivan and my sister's name is Vivan&Viyanka. Anyways, today we'll be taking you on a journey across the Netherlands. This is the first video of the series, A Journey Across the Netherlands. This is the first video, so I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. We are heading to the town of Zandvoort. Here we are, very peaceful. Few cars on the streets, an old lane, and a few houses. Wow, look at that wooden creation. There's our first windmill. This is not the one we'll be seeing, but it is massive. On the side of this river are 7 of these windmills, and we'll be exploring one of them today. We're checking out the maps for fun. I love maps. This area is also a farmland. I've always wanted to live in a place like this. It's very peaceful. I feel like living in the 1800s. That's how peaceful it is. Small brook and an old lane. Hey, look, some sheep grazing on the grass. There's our windmill. This is a chalk windmill. Also, this windmill is named Windmill. Made in 1781, it was used as a sawmill, but in the 1960s, it was converted into a paint mill for grinding chalk and other materials like pigments. Till today, it's the only chalk windmill to produce pigments. Here's the mechanism. Basically, it's just a shaft connected to the fan. And when the wind blows, it makes some gears move and, well, makes the chalk grind about. That's it. Very simple. Just look at how much machinery is here. And this was from 1781. That's like in the 17th century. How old could that be? More than 200 years. Wind started to pick up, so those gears are grinding. We have a few barrels here and there and some other stuff. Now we're getting up these stairs and we're gonna show you the big wheel.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall
Today the wind is extremely high, so you can see how fast it's going.
coals that take
Don't worry, you might not end up going there because they have put barriers there,
and it's just
so you won't get hit away and then fly
it's a hand in mine.
to the other side of the road.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Those stars
Here we can see some fields and a little bit of forest.
never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
The smaller thing, the steering wheeling thing was also is actually a brake for the windmill blades, because you can't go there and just stop it by hand or anything. And when the wind's picking up too much, you can't really do anything.
Moonlights,
So that's the only thing we can.
the sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets.
Here are some old photos
We wanna chase the night
of the construction of the windmill.
to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
Now we have entered a small souvenir and
As we shout from the top, we're
gonna buy some stuff here.
be two hearts running wild.
By the way, look at those shoes. They aren't real.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now we're outside, and if you hear closely, you can hear the sound of an accordion. My sister is also mad because her windmill thingy is not working.
என்னாச்சு டேய் ஏல அத வாங்கி
She's one
டமாட்டோ கொடு
mad sister. We gotta buy another fan which actually worked. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.